Samsung French door refrigerator reviews are mostly positive, with this brand of French door refrigerator enjoying the highest rating among customers.
This is according to a survey by J.D. Power and Associates, and is the 6th consecutive year this brand and type of refrigerator has come out on top.
The RFG297AARSXAE is one of the highest reviewed of the Samsung French door refrigerators.
While some owners complain that the icemaker is too noisy, almost all agree that this refrigerator is spacious.
In addition, one of the most liked features of this appliance is the adjustability of the shelves.
Another feature that many customers like is the option to get a dual icemaker, which is great if you entertain frequently.
Many of the Samsung French door refrigerator reviews mention how nice looking the appliance is, and this is certainly true of the model we mentioned.
The LED lighting is appealing to many consumers, and the refrigerator comes in a choice of colors, which are stainless steel, stainless platinum, white, and black.
Customers have a lot of control when it comes to the temperature of this refrigerator.
For example, a digital display on the outside of the appliance shows the interior temperature, and it also indicates when to change the filter.
Through the door, ice and water are also available at the control center.
Customers can also adjust the temperature of the pantry drawer, which comes in handy when frozen items need to be thawed at the last minute.
Many of the Samsung French door refrigerator reviews marvel at the self-closing doors.
Although many modern refrigerators come equipped with a door alarm, this particular model goes a step further and ensures the door actually closes, instead of notifying you when it is ajar.
Another favorite feature included in this refrigerator is in the freezer compartment.
Customers like the pull-out drawer that holds smaller items and the bin for larger items.
They also like the fact that the freezer holds a lot of food and it is easy to find items at a glance.
Reviewers favorably comment about the capacity and the organization of this appliance, along with the cosmetic features.
By reading user reviews before you purchase your next refrigerator, you can get a good idea of how features mentioned in the specifications actually stand up to everyday use.